guys, Mike Miner here. Another cool stuff today regarding Mysterium mining. Today I'll be sharing with you how you can create a Mysterium node where you can be able to generate some Mist token. Mysterium node is something like a VPN connection, and then you're offering your services for those clients or for those customers of Mysterium. Most probably they're paying a certain amount, and then the profit is being distributed for those offering their services just like the node. So today I will be sharing with you how you can be able to run a Mysterium node using your Macintosh. I've tried to test it both on my i7 and then my Mac M1. Both operating system it can be able to run, and then you can be able to run as a node into it, and then you can generate some passive income. So to get started, you must go to Mist Nodes, and then you click onboarding, and then you select desktop, you select Mac OS. I didn't use how you can be able to download Mac OS. I didn't use this kind of approach, which is to download Mac OS installer, because it's a bit buggy, and then there's some issues regarding when it tries to update or when it tries to connect to the Mysterium node server. So what I did is I tried to use the letter B here, which is set up manually using Docker. So we'll just have to follow these steps and we'll be good to go. So first things first is we need to download and install the Docker desktop. I will not try to discuss fully on this. And the next step is after we have installed this Docker setup, we can run from the command line, which is the docker run cup add net admin. And then we just have to copy this, and then we can run over through a terminal. First thing is we need to create a folder, which is Mist folder, and then we try to assign this for the parameter of the Mist, and then we assign this just like in this command line. Once I paste here my command line, which is the docker run, so I paste the command here. So what I'm going to do, so I just have to copy paste here the command, which is the docker run, and then we try to replace the folder that we have created locally, which is under users mic documents Mist. So we copy paste here, and then we try to run, and then it says here that the docker haven't run yet. So what we need to do here is we're going to run our docker. We just have to wait for this one to complete for the docker. And as soon as this one completes its booting up, we can be able to initialize already the command line, which is the docker run -add. It will create the Mist container. So it's still loading the Docker engine. We just have to wait for a while. Once it's successfully run, then we can rerun again our command line, which is the docker run. It will try to download the container, and then it will try to install the container into our Docker containers. Now installing. So what we need to do here is we try to check if it's the Docker is already successfully created by issuing a command docker ps-a, and then it's confirmed it's running. It's up by 22 seconds. What we can do now here is we can claim the node. We click claim node from the website where we took the steps. As soon as we click claim node, then we click claim, then we will be prompted for the wizard, which we're going to key in our wallet address. So this wallet address is actually my MetaMask. I will try to have another discussion topic on this, on how you can be able to create your wallet address using Mysterium. And then I'll try to share also on another topic on how you can be able to transfer some Polygon and then some Mist, because these are some of the requirements in order for you to set up your Mysterium node. So now we try to go to Polygon network. We select Polygon. As soon as we select, we copy paste our address, and then we click next. After clicking next, we copy this, and then we need to transfer about 0.2 Mist into this particular wallet address, where this wallet address is actually our wallet address coming from the node. So the node created this, and then we need to deposit a 0.2 Mist. We have an option here, whether we want to register for free or we deposit, but I've selected register in order for us to connect. So after that, we open up our Polygon, and then we will transfer 0.2 Mist into that address that the Mist node or the Mysterium web UI says. So we connect through the MetaMask in the Polygon network, and then we select Polygon wallet, and then once we have successfully log in, we can be able to see our MIS token. Our MIS token is the Mysterium, which is currently I have 1.55 here, and then I tried to copy the wallet address which the Mysterium node gave us an instruction which we're going to transfer 0.2. So we click send here and continue, and then we paste the address, then we key in here 0.2 missed and then send. So take note of this 0.01 matic, because this one it requires 0.01 matic in order for us to transfer the mist. Otherwise this transfer will fail. If we don't have a matic inside, then we cannot be able to transfer. So it will be in another topic that I'm going to share on how we can transfer the funds. As soon as you have confirmed it's successful, then we can go back to our Mysterium web UI, and then it says here it's success with a check mark here below, success, and we click next. As soon as we click next, we'll just have to key in here our node UI password, and we repeat the password and then save and continue. Take note guys, after you save this, it will go back to the previous screen. So I think it's a bug in the node or the Docker file. So what we need to do here is click again, start node setup, or we refresh the page and then we click again the start node setup here. Key in our password again. I think it's a bug that the Docker has for this. So as soon as we key in the password, save and continue, the dashboard will load. Identity is being registered, and then just have to be patient with this because this one will take some time. I think this transfer is being checked on the blockchain if you transfer the 0.2 mist, and then you will be able to register. Take a bit longer. So what we need to do here is I'm going to open up a terminal to verify if what's going on with the Docker. So I need to get the Docker container by typing docker ps-a docker logs, and then copy paste this Docker container, and then press enter. I will be able to see what's going on. So now actually seems so far so good. It's being registered. So when we try to go to the Mysterium nodes dashboard, we'll be able to see here that it's still offline. The online here is actually my Mac M1, which I set up last night. This one will take some time guys. It's not a very straightforward process because it's a blockchain, it's being verified, so we must be patient. Sometimes it might took longer. My one, it seems so far so good, the process here. So what I'm going to do now here is taking a bit longer. I'll try to restart the Docker by typing docker restart plus the container ID. Then we try to check if what's going on. Yes, so far so good. So the next step is, oh yes, after restart, it successfully registered our Mysterium node successfully, and then that's it guys. We have successfully set up our Mysterium node, and it's just waiting for some clients to be able to connect, and then we can be able to generate some mist in here, and we can generate some passive income using our Macbook. So just have to wait, and then I just have to let it run overnight, and then we'll see from there, and then give you a feedback on what's going on the Mysterium node that I've created. Is it really profitable or not? Because currently I'm in Asia, I don't know if it's really good to set up Mysterium node in here because most of the users are actually in Europe. So that's it guys, hope you learned something. This is just a quick tutorial on how you can be able to set up your Mysterium node using your Mac i7 and then Mac M1. So I'm just sharing with you on how you can be able to set up. And then thanks for watching, shalom and peace out.